Nora Fatehi impresses audience with her electrifying performance at FIFA 2022. Nora Fatehi, who never fails to impress her fans, lights up the FIFA World Cup 2022 stage with her outstanding performance and leaves her fans in awe. The video of her performance has been circulating on social media. The Dilbar dancer wore a shimmery dress during the performance and looked absolutely stunning.
Nora danced on her hit songs from the Bollywood industry. She also performed to the official anthem of the FIFA World Cup Light the Sky. Previously, Fatehi also shared a video from the stadium with her fans and wrote, "That moment when you hear your voice at the World Cup stadium at FIFA World Cup, this was so surreal. It's milestones like this that make the journey so worth it. I always envisioned moments like this. I'm just a dreamer with a hunger to make those dreams come alive. From a regular schmegular girl in the hood to this. Believe in yourself, guys, never let anybody tell you you can't. Your dreams are never too big. Many laughed at me at the start, but we out here. And this is just the beginning."
On the work front, Nora Fatehi appeared in Ayushmann Khurrana's film and action hero's song Jada Nasha, reports Pink Villa.
Please subscribe my channel for more latest news.
And also like and share our videos to help us.
Thanks for watching.